Wow, it's really exciting and amazing how far we have gone through in the course. In this module, we have learned the importance of the version control system as we are going to complete the last phase of the software development life cycle, where the source code will be built and deployed to the test server, and if everything goes well, it will be released to the users on production server. This process could take a lot of time and effort, and it sometimes takes a big team of people to accomplish it. And when it delivered successfully, it can help the business tremendously. As we entered the age of digital transformation, a well-developed piece of software could determine the life and death of the company, as the landscape of business becomes unfamiliar and competitive. Well, congratulations on completing this module. So what do you think about working as a web developer? In the course, we try to simulate a simplified real-world scenario so that you can quickly understand the entire software development process. You can see that a developer is a professional job that offers a great degree of freedom, and best of all, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when your work is being used by people. Working as a developer is also about commitment and responsibilities. As a member of the IT team, your users are dependent on your expertise to help them solve their issues. The skill set of a developer is not just programming and analytical, but also needs to be creative to give them the best solutions. In this course, you learned about how software development helps business, and you also got to see how each piece of information and knowledge is put together to build a project. You also learned how HTML style sheets and JavaScript work together on the front end, and how it is important for your user since it acts as a medium between the application and the users. I hope you have a good understanding of what an entry-level web developer does in a day on the job. This working process shown in the course is not just for web developers, but it is also applicable to all types of developers, from gaming developers to app developers. Thank you so much for joining me throughout the course. Lao Tzu once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step," which means that no matter how difficult the journey seems, the most difficult step of all is the first step. In fact, we just begin our journey together with the first course. Not so hard, isn't it? If you think becoming a developer is something you like to do, I wish you great success on your journey, and be the best version of yourself by constantly learning new skills, no matter what you choose to do. Okay, I hope to see you in my upcoming courses.